Hey, what's up guys? I am going to be doing an unboxing video today. And today I got the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Well, let's go ahead and open this thing. Looks like it opens like that. And we take it out. Here we go. Boom. It looks like it comes in this a charging case, and as you can see, it lights up. Let's see if we can take it out. And the ring is supposed to be in titanium. Then it'll go up, so it should go like that. And then it will look like that. That's how the ring looks. It feels really light. It feels like a paper, honestly. And then you put it back in the case like that. Let's see if it has anything else, like a charger. Hopefully it got some type of charger. Let's see in here. Yeah, it does. It does have it's titled charging a type C. So it's a C and C, which is nice. And then over here we just got some papers inside. But honestly, that is it. It looks really nice, and I can't wait to try it out. But yeah, you open it, lights up, you close it. Samsung. I bought a size a 13. I have a really big finger, so I'll be wearing that. Alright guys, well, that's it for the unboxing. So remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.